In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a borderless page in Word, no border spacing. If you're designing a flyer, poster, or a full page graphic in Word and keep ending up with annoying white borders around the edges of your printed sheet, it's usually because Word and your printer default to standard margin cutoffs. Removing those border gaps takes very quickly and it's very easy, so let's do it. First, we need to strip away Word's built-in document margins so your content can expand to the very edge of the page. Just open the document, head up to the Layout tab here, and after that, click on Margins. Then you just choose Custom Margins. After that, on the Page Setup window, change the top, bottom, left, and right margin values all the way down to 0 in centimeters or inches. Let us do that one by one here. And then click OK. If Word pops up a warning stating one or more margins are set outside the printable area, just ignore it so that Word allows your layout to span the entire sheet. And now, even with 0 margins set in Word, physical printers will still enforce a default white border unless you enable borderless printing in your printer driver properties. Just click on Control P, click on Printer Properties right over here, and under your selected printer's name, then in your printer setup window, head over to the main or page setup tab. Look for a checkbox labeled borderless printing and check the box. Then you just select your paper type, such as glossy or matte, as some print drivers only allow borderless printing when a photo paper preset is active, and then just click OK. Then, if your background color still leaves a tiny white gap or your printer driver throws a formatting error, how do you fix it? If you have background colors of photos, right-click the graphic like this, then go to Wrap Text. We need to choose in front of text like this and manually drag the corner handles past the white edges of your page. And if Word refuses to send borderless data, just click File, then Save As, and export your document as a PDF file, and that is it. That is how to print borderless pages in Microsoft Word with no spacing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.